So here's a short video on one of the more complicated tools that are super important, the rotate tool. The rotate tool is found right over here. It's the two curvy arrows. Okay, it's just below the move tool. It looks like the shortcut key command is Q. I'm not a key command guy, so I rarely use that. I just like the buttons. Okay, but you can find it here in this menu. Again, remember, if you don't have that menu, you go up to Window, or let's see, you go to, where the heck is it? Uh, View, Tool Palettes, Large Tool Set. Okay, if you lose that. Or you have it up here. So I'm going to build something really quick just to show you how to rotate. I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to make it, let's say, 12, 12, enter. I'm going to push-pull that into a one-way straight 3 feet tall box. Okay, now we have an object. I'm going to then group that object using the select tool. Right click or two finger click, make group. Make group. Okay, now you notice I can't push pull it anymore. In order to edit it, it's locked. I have to double click it. Everything else grays out. Then I can push pull and I can change it if I want. Okay, and then to get out of that edit mode, you just go back up to select tool and click out. I want to rotate this on its side though. Okay, so I'm going to use a rotate tool, and then you start seeing things happen. Okay, it's jumping around, it doesn't know what to do. Well, that's because we live in a three-dimensional world, and you have to tell the computer, do you want to rotate it this way? Do you want to rotate it that way? Or do you want to rotate it that way? Okay, the computer doesn't know. So I'm going to rotate it on this plane because I want to rotate it down. So I'm going to move to a plane that tells me what I'm going to rotate or which direction I want to rotate. Then I'm going to hold down Shift. Now it no longer jumps around, as you notice. Okay, it's now kind of constrained or locked. Then the next click you do is the center point of rotation. So I'm going to click that as my center point. Now I can let go of Shift because it knows that you've established it's staying on the green. Then your next click is your handle. I'm going to click this, and then I can turn it. Okay, and then you still want to type 90. Now you notice it does click to some somewhat logical angles, like I think 45 is easy to find. I bet you 60 is easy to find if you get there. But it's not super easy to find. And 90 is right there. But I still prefer to just type in from anywhere. Once you tell it, I want to rotate it here, 90, enter. That's it. If I want to rotate it towards me this way, again, pick the plane you want. The horizontal plane, the ground always works if you're going to rotate horizontally. I'm still going to lock down Shift so it doesn't jump around. And then I'm going to say I want to make that my center point. First click, let go of Shift. Second click is your handle. Third click, type in 90, enter, and there you go. Short video on the rotate tool, which is a super important tool. You use it a lot. Once you've used it about 2 times, it's really easy, but the first couple times you use it, it's way complicated. Okay, so again, Shift is what keeps it from jumping. Okay, then your first click is your center point of rotation. Your second click becomes the handle, and then your third click or your typing is your angle that you're rotating. That's it.